like the previous video on Limpopo. If you haven't watched it, you can click just down there on my channel name. There's a subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. After that, go to my channel. There's a playlist where I will put all those videos together to make it easy for you to watch all of them in sequence, because there's information that I share in each video on how to get to where. So today I'm more Mpumalanga. So Mpumalanga Rotoma with the provincial legislature. That I saw somewhere outside. So Mpumalanga provincial legislature. So here we go. Get the legislature Mpumalanga. I want to Mereko. Gallery about us. Now I'm looking for job reports, media. All right, so okay. Now let's go to the office of the premier then. The office of the premier, opportunities. Those who want business opportunities, the tender should bidding information. But because we are on a mission to find a job, we're going to go to the bid. We're going to go to vacancies. So let's see. This video is shot in November, so please it's different posts that are advertised. So we have here 28 November. Department of Health, Department of Culture, Sports and Recreation, and the Department of Agriculture, Rural Development, Land and Environmental Affairs. She did deposit it really from the Mpumalanga province. So let's open each and see what is happening. I don't recommend you open multiple tasks or different tabs. Do it at your own risk. So Mpumalanga, as you can see, this is a format of the DPSA circular. The DPSA circular, watch on my previous videos, you can see how the format, even on the DPSA circular, I even explain how much the government is like the biggest employer. So more this format, an extra T, I think it is from, it's part of the previous circulars. So let's go Mpumalanga. You submit physically, private box, or email. It's only private box to the head office and then to the district. Here's another email address. Watch the spelling, see? This is head office, this is Nka. Or private box, so they don't want anyone coming to their offices physically. It's okay. Let's submit it the way it is possible. So what are the requirements? The new Z83. Remember guys, the new Z83, how to fill it in. Certified copies will only be submitted by shortlisted candidates. So what was, or now we just want your Z83 and a recent updated CV with full details and 3 contactable referees. Certified copies will be submitted by shortlisted candidates. Guys, don't need to worry about printing too much papers. So then you go to all these posts, various of them you visit. So let's see if the other circular is similar. See, very much similar. This one is from Sports and Recreation, Culture, Sports and Recreation. So I don't want to, what are their requirements? Same thing, new Z83. Only shortlisted candidates submit certified. And how do they submit? They have a website. They have a website where you can submit. They even have email. This is for inquiries. There's a job tracking spreadsheet that I have for free on my, if you go to the description, there's a link tree. You can see there's a nice template will tracker the job. So this is the information that you will be putting there on the job tracker, so that you're able to follow up. You can even put the information, closing date, which department you applied to, what is the post, the reference, all this good stuff, so that at a later stage you're able to, when you make follow-ups, you are able to make follow-ups with quite a number of jobs that you've applied. Right yourself, you'll see from the spreadsheet or even a book where you keep track of these applications. You're able to see the progress, or rather the number of applications you've already submitted, right? So let's go to the next Department of Health. Mpumalanga. Department of Health is Mpumalanga. Bari, okay, they can be. Oh, there's an online system of Mpu Health. Yeah, mpuhealth.gov.za. So that's how you submit. Let's see how they want the application. Must submit three detailed CV in order to alleviate administration and HR sections and costs for applicants. The department is encouraged to request certified copies of qualifications and other relevant documents from shortlisted candidates only, which may be submitted to HR on or before the day of the interview following communication. So Lebona, they are supporting the same movement. ZD3 CV fella. Thank you department. Thank you Mpumalanga province and your respective departments. So this is the Mpumalanga province, guys. So Uruya Koona or search provincial governments, which I did. I just went on Google, search provincial governments, and then it took me out to this website. So are not sponsored by this company, Yes Media. Just saw this as a very convenient way where they put information together. So apart from just looking at the provincial legislation office of the premier and the department's job allot and also while as you're searching for a job, they also have public entities that you can also visit where you can see if they have opportunities. So let's see what type of opportunities do they have at Mpumalanga Parks and Tourism, and then let's see what other one are they having. The Training Trust. Wow, these are beautiful names. I would like to open just each one. Remember, opening multiple tabs, do it at your own risk. Me, I'm insurance. So that was the provincial government. Let's go to the tourism. Just so you can see the entities which are under the provincial government. It's not only departments that offer service delivery. There's also entities that also provide things like the tourism part of the province, so promoting tourism. But we are looking for a job, and there you go. Here's careers right there. Careers. Open. Let's see, we download. Oh, they have an employment application form, so they may not be having a ZDD3. Need to be aware. Okay, so candidates are already for this, and they also have temporary field ranges, multiple positions available. Wow. Okay, so the thing is that I like is when I see posts like this being closed very recently or this year, in the last 6-7 months, it means for me there's even opportunities that will come later, and the people who actually work at such places, like for example, I refer to the Mpumalanga Regional Training Trust, that somebody is updating this website in order for the public, us, to be aware. No, man, there is a job there. Let me write down, it's about next week when I visit, they may possibly have it advertised. Okay, so here's July 2025, September 2025, April. See, this shows that somebody is doing their job as well, making sure that when there is opportunities available, when you open more entities, public entities, then people are aware, people can apply. We're in a crisis, we're in an unemployment crisis in South Africa. So here we have the Mpumalanga, so we're done with these two. I remember where I found these. I found them via Mpumalanga provincial government, and this is the the provincial offices, the legislature, and also the premier public entities are here. It's not just this, other provinces have them as well. I recently spoke about Limpopo, where they also have Limpopo Roads Agency. They have the Gambling Board, Tourism Agency. So Mpumalanga, we're at the economic regulator. So this could be the gambling and liquor. But we're not here for that. We are here for a job and an opportunity. So here we go, right there. Opportunity the tenders at vacancies. So let's go to the vacancies. Under vacancies, CFO. All right. Oh, okay. Is this the one that's active right now? I think posted 10 months ago, 1 year ago. Yeah, Kamugar Miracle is rare. Posted 2 years ago. Yeah, Miracle is rare. But still, in Wale Leona, like check out again. Last one to check out on Mpumalanga as an example is this one called Mpumalanga Economic Growth Agency, Omega. Opportunities, job opportunity, business opportunity, job. Yeah, span. Show me Mpumalanga, Mega. Where is the work? Where's the jobs? Yes, we got jobs. Here's the jobs. So hold them on. So literally, when you visit the government websites, when you visit or when you start having a list of these entities, departments, private organizations, businesses that you want to apply to, you now start having a very nice database. See, you visit the website, check. If there's no opportunity, tick, done. You now do the same exercise the following week. Always having your job tracking application, your job applications tracker to help you. This week there's nothing, so I'll come back. So you're going to have a notebook on the side, and you're also going to have your job applications tracker on the other side. So more mega miracle arbonoro, is it every now and again? Yes, it is every now and again. 21 November. Opportunity. They have 4 opportunities in different sectors. See, they even had a company secretary. So this shows, or this foundation that they're busy building on. It is for the Nkomazi Special Economic Zone entity. Wonderful. Thank you Mpumalanga. Thank you the mega project so guys, this is how you visit the Mpumalanga province when you are looking for a job. This is Mr. Gove. I'll see you on the next one. Sharp.